We're here today because at the Canadian Board Diversity Council, we, with our members, realize that there is a problem, which is there is not enough diversity on Canadian corporate boards.
I decided to participate in today's event because I feel it's important for Aboriginal business leaders to get involved in the dialogue and helping create process and opportunities for Aboriginal communities.
The main reason why I think an event like this is important is to create a broad frame of mind on the reason why it's important to have Aboriginal people on your corporate boards.
The topic is interesting. There's a lot of activity going on in First Nations communities around business now, and the lack of corporate directors from First Nations is an issue, and hopefully there's more corporations in Canada looking for Aboriginal participation on their board.
I think it's about raising awareness. I think sometimes we operate in silos. We're all guilty for it, and coming together to understand and hear from Aboriginal business leaders and corporate leaders who are hungry for change, put the issues on the table and find strategies and a way to make change.
I think the future of Canada's economy is dependent on us figuring out how to have better relationship between First Nations people, government and industry, and these dialogues are critical start for those future directions.
I think one of the biggest things for Aboriginal people and boards that are non-Aboriginal boards to take away from today is to look at creating a change in the culture of business and getting yourself involved in that change.
The one thing that I like to leave corporate folks with is, can you imagine the message that you will convey to the Aboriginal community if you appointed an Aboriginal person on your corporate board?